Hi, this is Derek Barola, and I'm showing off my CS3260 final project. So over on the left here, I have my proposal, and I propose to make an iPhone app that allows you to keep track of your water intake, exercise activity, your sleep, as well as your meditation activity. I will go ahead and open up the app over on the right, and I'll start talking about it. I called it Health.io, and in my app, I have a tab system to switch between views, as shown down here. We have the ability to keep track of sleep, water, exercise, and meditation, which I called mindfulness on here. Some of the things that I added on here is I went and researched sound as well as animation, which I will be showing animation for the water intake, for my timer, and I will also be showing sound under my timer. I am also using a picker to allow the selection of hours and minutes that were used for the exercises and for sleeping. And I'll show you the way that I keep a log of all of these things. So let me move over to this screen so I can go ahead and show you everything. So we'll begin by clicking over here on Fill Water, and this is my first animation. So I created a custom slider here with a custom animation. You can select the amount of water you drink, click Save, and down here on the bottom you'll be able to see on the water log, 1 cup of water drank on August 15, 2021 at 10:30 to 8 p.m. So we can click on this log and it will show us a table. We can go through and delete stuff from here, and it will reflect on the water log as well. Move over into exercise, and we have a few more options. So we can select swimming. Say we went swimming for about 2 hours. We save it. It'll update down here, and we can go through on this list, and we can delete it as well, or I didn't show you this before, but we're allowed to edit as well. So you can go through and say, I actually swam for 5 hours. Save it. It reflects right here and reflects down here. Now, I'll show you that this does store stuff on a local database. So let me go ahead and get this to work. There we are. So I'll close the application, reopen. We go back to exercise. We have that last entry at 10:38, and we have a list of everything else here. Now, so far I have shown that I have at least one button. I have a slider and a picker as well. And I do have multiple views. Every single one of these contains 2 views, including itself, so 3 views for all of these, with the exception of this one just has this main view and our log view. Let me show you that this does support device rotation, as you can see right here, and I'm actually going to go ahead and start this timer right now. But we do support device rotation on every single one of the screens. Now, on my proposal here, I did say it was a 7-minute timer. For the sake of the video, I set up only a 30-minute timer. And at the end of it, you'll be able to hear the sound animation, or the sound that I added to it. And currently you can see my animation running through, going along with the time. And it should in 3, 2, 1. There is my sound. Oh, I guess it went one more time. And then to show that the app does survive preemption, I can leave the app, come right back to it. I'll just be in the middle of one of these things to show you. I'll leave, I'll open up the health app. Ironically, I clicked on this one, but we'll go back over to Health.io and I'm still here, surviving everything just fine. To show the code is properly formatted, we'll hop on over here and I'll show you my exercise track view controller. So you can see this is just a small class. I organized everything into their different sections. So we have all of our sleep classes, our mindfulness ones, water, and all of our SQL queries that I used here. We have our sounds organized here, and we have a few enums that I used as well, and the animations on here. So here we have a little bit of the code just to show it off, and I do show some with constraint warnings. Those were the only things that ended up sticking through, and I was not able to remove them, and I believe they show on the water scene. But I've hit the 5-minute mark and I think I've shown everything off. So I will go ahead and end the video right here.